Welcome to eTask-it, the intelligent way to deliver your projects. eTask-it is an online platform for the definition, delivery, control and improvement of your projects. If you're tired of reinventing the wheel every time you run a project, worried about seeing your profit margins squeezed by creeping project budgets and risks, and you want to make sure all your best practices are really followed, then eTask-it is the solution you're looking for. Let's take a look at what eTask does and show you why our customers across the world find it to be the best solution for their business today. In eTask-it, we've set up a fictional company called Cloud Computing Limited. It specializes in deploying cloud solutions in medium and large organizations. We've invented Kevin. Kevin is Cloud Computing's PMO Executive Director. He's the guy in charge of managing the whole portfolio of projects the company's delivering, making sure that each project is executed on time and budget. And he's also keen to ensure that all projects are delivered following cloud computing's best practices. Every morning, Kevin looks at his dashboard. He does this to monitor all the company's projects, those that are on time, those having issues, and he's able to see what is happening to them in real time. He can allocate resources to a project, address requests from a project manager, and check the timesheet and utilization of all of his resources, making sure all of his consultants are being optimally utilized. Cloud computing has used eTask's Blue Tech technology to create a rich library of their project offerings. Blueprints are detailed representations of a project in all of its complexity. They include a project structure, the roles, tasks, instructions, and guides for the users to follow, documentation templates that can be shared by the whole team, historical effort data to help plan future projects, and much, much more. In creating a blueprint, you essentially transform personal knowledge into company knowledge, creating a library of processes and best practices that can be used and reused every time a new project is delivered. You can also take advantage of our pre-built library of blueprints that include some of the most efficient and widely used project methodologies today. For example, Prince2 or the Open Unified Process. When Kevin needs to create a new project, he simply selects the appropriate blueprint from the library, and the project manager is ready to take control of the implementation. Amina is a project manager for cloud computing. She likes eTask because it doesn't give her a blank slate project, but a clear model that she can adapt to the customer's needs without compromising on her company's requirements and best practices. eTask-it offers Amina and her team a powerful environment to collaborate where all the team get to work together in synchronization. Amina uses eTask-it to have all the information she needs to control her project in real time. She can immediately spot if there are delays or issues, investigate them, and implement appropriate actions. If a team member is over-allocated, Amina can easily identify the problem and request an additional resource or reassign another team member. Let's introduce Adam. Adam is an experienced consultant. Each morning he views several things: all the projects he's currently involved in, his calendar, his timesheets, and most importantly, his to-do list, containing all of the tasks that are assigned to him. Adam starts by simply selecting his first task of the day and indicates that he has started working on it. Adam finds in one single place all the information to understand what he needs to do and how to do it. He can also access all the documentation he requires and the templates he needs to follow to complete his work quickly and effectively. Adam can download the document he needs to work on or modify it directly online. When he's finished, he can log the time he's spent and then complete his task. He will not be able to complete his task, however, if it requires an approval, which can be sent on to another individual in the organization. Cloud computing can also decide to give a range of controlled project access to the customer, and this is done via the eTask-it customer portal. By doing this, we help the customer understand and interact with the project, and this avoids negative surprises and unexpected delays along the way. Now that the project is completed, Kevin, our PMO, wants to see what's changed from the blueprint so that cloud computing can improve and refine their process. With eTask-it, cloud computing has become a learning organization, using each project as a stepping stone to increase the quality and the precision of their blueprints and therefore their delivery. eTask-it allows cloud computing to leverage historical data and statistical tools to refine budget and effort planning, helping them transfer the personal expertise of each project manager in the business to other parts of the organization. If you need a solution for delivering projects on time and budget, to document and bring to life your best practices, to control the results of your projects, and to make your company a learning organization to become even more profitable, use eTask-it today. What you've seen here is a small glimpse of the eTask-it platform and just a few of its features. To come and discover more, please visit the product section or contact us for an online demonstration today.